Hey guys, welcome back to HALLOWEEK. It is day 7, it is the last day, and I really wanted to kind of dive into FX makeup, but make it super simple for you. This is the easiest FX makeup tutorial you're going to find, and this makeup look, I'm not gonna lie, this whole Halloween costume ended up freaking awesome. So this is Miss Freddy Krueger. I love how it turned out, kind of that burned face. Super easy, and everything is super affordable. I literally used the dollar store vampire blood with the dollar store lip gloss with gelatin that you can find at any grocery store to create this look. So if you are allergic to latex, don't worry, there's no latex involved. It's really easy. So I think you guys are gonna really love it. Like I said, this is the last day of HALLOWEEK. So if you missed any of the previous Halloween looks, I will link it up in a playlist. Make sure to go check that out. But yeah, subscribe, hit the like, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by mixing my gelatin. So I will link what it is below, but it's unflavored gelatin, so it is 100% beginner friendly. But you want warm water in a cup, and then you can mix in your gelatin. I definitely recommend using less water than this because I had to use 4 packs of gelatin in there. But you want the consistency to be almost like gel-like in a way. You'll see. This stuff smells so gnarly, but look at it. Once it starts to cool down, it starts to get like this sticky gel kind of snot consistency, and it's exactly what you want. I want it to look very bumpy and weird. Now, I do want to mention that I do laugh so much because it looks like boogers, and it just cracks me up that it looks like my face is covered in snot. But anyways, I'm putting this all over one side of the face, and I'm purposely trying to make it bumpy. I don't want it to be very smooth. And then later I'm going to go through and kind of make almost like lines and cuts and whatnot. This is what's going to make my face look burned. It's so freaking awesome. Like, I'm touching it and it is absolutely dry now. So I'm making some deeper areas, deeper lines, so it can be more Freddy-ish. I wasn't very perfect in this. Next time I'll just use little mini scissors to do this. So I'm using the Nikki Tutorials palette, and I'm getting into this brown color, and I'm going to start putting that into the crease and start kind of blending that out. Then I'm going to get into this almost bone color and put that right underneath the brow and whatever's left on my lid. Then I'm going into this peachy shade, which is so beautiful. This is probably my favorite color in this whole palette. It's just so gorgeous. And I'm going over in the crease and in the transition and just really blending that out. Then this is the Raw Beauty Kristi palette collab that she had, and I'm getting into like an orangey shade, and I'm really starting to work that in. I'm trying to just create a color that looks like Freddy Krueger's color. I don't know. I'm just mixing a bunch of colors to create like peachy reddish color. Anyways, we're doing a cut crease. So get your concealer out. Do the cut crease however you know how to do it. This is how I know how to do it. So I'm getting into this Revolution palette, and I'm getting into this like cranberry color, and I'm using the blending brush and kind of blowing that out in the outer corner. And I'm getting back into the Raw Beauty Kristi palette, and I'm getting into this gold and putting that in the inner corner and blending that up towards the very beginning of the lid. Then I'm getting this orange shade. I feel like orange was very fitting, so I decided to do orange in the middle of the lid and kind of blend it between the cranberry and that gold shade.
Then I'm going to use this blue eyeliner and make a small wing with it. So on this like bird side, I kind of tried to do a little bit of the cranberry. I didn't go through much effort because it's all going to be covered up anyways, but I went ahead and made it look as if I was all glammed up when I got burned. Then I'm putting on some lashes. But anyways, I decided to stretch my face. And now we're doing foundation, concealer, and some powder. So now I'm going in and I am contouring. So I decided on this brick blush. I thought this would be perfect. I'm also going to basically blend that on my nose, my forehead, on my chin. Alright, so basically this is a combination. In the deepest parts of the cuts slash burns, you want it to be red and a little bit black, like a deeper red. So that's why I have the black, and you really want to put black around those edges that are sticking up to kind of make it look even deeper. And then everywhere else it's going to be a little bit lighter. So I'm filling in all the spots that kind of go inwards, which is another reason I love the imperfection and just how it looks, because that's exactly how burns are. They're not perfect, they're bumpy and weird looking. So I'm going in and I'm filling in all those spots using this like cream shadow basically. Then whatever's left of my brush, I'm just going over all the other smoother spots, I guess you can say, to make it just look a little more red or pink. Now I'm going in with the brick color, just kind of setting those deeper spots. So I'm doing my lips before I start getting into the blood, but basically this is the mixture. You can use scab blood or you can just get vampire blood, the black cream or black eyeliner and lip gloss and mix those together to make it look like the blood is old rather than fresh. And then you just start going crazy with it.
is it, you guys. This is the completed look. I hope you really loved it. I will link everything that I used, the costume, the black contacts that I'm wearing that are amazing. I'll link everything down below in the description box, so make sure to go check it out. Also, I did create a nail look to go with this makeup look, so you can have the full getup from head to toe to nails. I posted it up on my Instagram feed today, so make sure that you go check it out straight away. I will link my Instagram below. It's just Bondbeautyful. Go check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this week. I love you guys and have a happy Halloween. Guys, I wanted to make it very simple so that anybody can do this. And I'm Miss Freddy. Today's the last day of HALLOWEEK, and I really wanted to go with Miss Freddy Krueger. I love the Nightmare on Elm